information for the following counties in Nebraska: Antelope, Boone, Burke, Cedar, Cumming, Knox, Madison, Pierce, Stanton, Thurston, and Wayne. Blizzard warning in effect from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. Wednesday. What blizzard conditions expected? Total snow accumulations of 1 to 3 inches. Winds gusting as high as 50 miles per hour. Where? Portions of east central and northeast Nebraska and west central Iowa. When? From 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. Wednesday. The following impacts are expected. Plan on slippery road conditions. Patchy blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511.